Okay, this cookie is called arrow. So on 1, I want you to up on your toes, go out to the right in a half broken T, 1, switch, 2, looking on 2. So again, that's 1 and 2. And go back to the left, 3 and 4. So you're looking on 2 and 4 with your head. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you're here on 4. On 5, you're going to swing and step out to the right and sit 6, bounce 7, clean 8. So that whole 8 count is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, your right side is going to go out 1, with your leg just on the ball here, and bring your knee in, 2. 1 and 2. Now rock your whole body, 3 and 4. So just keep rocking, and 5 and 6. And then you're going to go slap, clap, slap. So that's 7 you're slapping down. On the and, you're clapping up on your toe and looking to the left. 8, slap down. So that whole 8 count is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright, now arrow all together. Goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6, 7 and 8.